what time it is now. Now it's time for tummy time. And today we're going to read Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped into a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Red.
That's right, red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped into a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Blue.
Blue, that's right. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes?
Brown.
Brown. Oh, did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large bucket of water. And all of the brown, and all of the blue, and all of the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again?
White.
Yes, but now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of the story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and sing your song, because it's all